I am Lance Growth with Growth 1031, and if you're looking at this, then you're likely selling an investment property. Here's something you need to know. This is going to be the largest taxable consequence ever. Anytime you sell a real estate asset, you got state tax, federal tax, depreciation, recapture. You're looking at a blended average of roughly 30 to 33% depending on what state you're in. So you need a 1031 exchange, or you simply need to know what are your tax liability. Either give us a call or fill out the information and we will give you a call within 24 hours. And if you need to know who we are, what we do, we are qualified intermediaries. This is what we focus in. And if you need to know the nature of how we go about business, the vision of our company is to deliver an expert level of service through transparency, efficiency, and above all, compassion. And I say compassion because whenever you're selling a real estate, you got your title, your agents, the escrow, so many things to deal with, so many pieces of papers coming your way, and you need a support team. So give us a call or fill out the information and we will give you a call.